Flooding is a major concern across Pinellas County. We can't reiterate that enough.
And mandatory evacuations are underway for those in Zone A at this moment. It extends to Zones B and C tomorrow at 7 a.m. News Channel 8's Nico Clemens live in Gulfport for us tonight. Nico, the businesses there are not wasting any time preparing.
Josh, Jen, they're not messing around here in Gulfport. Check this out. I'll show you. They are already boarding up the doors, the windows. They're taking everything inside. They got the sandbags out, too. I want to show you this business over here. This is an ice cream shop. They got a message for Ian, no ice cream. But look, these businesses, they're all right here on Boca Ciega Bay, so they know flooding's on the way.
We're doing the absolute best we can.
They're preparing for the worst.
How am I feeling? A little stressed.
It's all hands on deck in Gulfport as Hurricane Ian approaches. Melissa Levin owns Chi Crystal Energy on Beach Boulevard. She remembers when a storm came through and flooded the entire street almost 2 years ago. That was right before she moved in. So she's bringing everything off the floor, boarding up the outside and putting sandbags around her business.
I think it's just inevitable that water's going to come in, so we just got to deal with that.
Lovin's in a mandatory evacuation zone. On Monday, friends pitched in to help.
All of the neighbors in the stores here, we all help each other out because that's just what we do in Gulfport.
Just next door, Janet Impostado not only has to worry about her business, but her home too.
We're actually living in a flood zone, so we're evacuating. We're leaving town tonight. So for us, it was a matter of getting the store taken care of and making sure it was secure before we left.
Pinellas County leaders are urging everyone to take this hurricane seriously as they expect significant flooding, wind damage, and, quote, life-threatening storm surge. Lovin says this is her first hurricane, so she's trying to stay calm and hope for the best.
We're getting it done. Just kind of use your momentum and your adrenaline, just kind of get through it.
Just a couple doors down, this business owner here, she says she put out a call for help, and these two gentlemen came out to help board up her business. Here in Pinellas County, they're opening up shelters right now, several shelters. They'll open up a few more tomorrow morning. We have those locations, the addresses on our website right now, WFLA.com. Live in Gulfport, Nico Clemens, 8 on your side.